Good day everyone, magandang buhay. This is Ersi, your property specialist, and we're here at Calatagan, Batangas, one of our beach property here in Batangas. So as you can see, medyo tahimik po ngayon, no? Ang maririnig mo lang yung mga ibon. Ayan, hangin. Because today is June 8, 2025, Sunday. And as you can see, ang ating update sa property. So from block 9, ayan, hanggang doon sa may amenities, okay na, gawa na yung ating roads and drainage. At the same time, before we market this property, 8,250 sa entrance. But now, ang price na po nito per square meter is 10,000 na po yung mga inner lots po natin. And now, we're here at block 9. So as you can see, may roads and drainage na sa portion